We started the factory 8 years ago with just one circular knitting machine, and we've progressed now that we've got 8 circular knitting machines and 3 flat machines and more machines on the water coming in from Germany. We saw a need to buy into our own supply chain so that we could manufacture the fabrics for garments that we were making ourselves. And that basically developed into a situation where we actually had excess capacity and could supply other people with products that they needed as well. Our factory is really unique in the way that we really look at different products that we can bring into the market all the time. And one of the products that we bring in is a bamboo cotton product. We bring in the yarn from the east. The attraction that we had to the bamboo was that the bamboo is grown naturally and there's no pesticides used while growing it, so that's really great for us. The way we look at it is if we're developing an eco-friendly product, it must have as little processing as possible. If you actually look at the product, you'd actually still see the cotton seed husks in the fabric, and the price of that fabric would actually be cheaper than any other fabric because of how little processing has gone into it. So we believe really less is more when it comes to eco-fabrics.
As the marketing director of Future Fabrics, it is imperative that I try to instill that ethos of being environmentally friendly or going green throughout the entire business, because at the end of the day, it's the way we are reflected out there, not only in the business environment, but to the population at large. When it comes to our packaging, we are very concerned, and we take it very seriously, because once whatever comes in a box, we will then in turn give that box away through to another company so that they can use it instead of just using it once and getting rid of it. And when it comes to our fabrics, if we have reject fabrics or remnants, our little cut-offs, we have a project called Mama Africa, and we give those remnants or cut-offs or offcuts, we give those to these women who then in turn will make clothing or bags and then go out in the marketplace and sell them.
With the bamboo range, people are asking more and more about this. The bamboo fabric is around about 10% of our production at the moment, which is around about 10,000 meters of bamboo fabric per month. But we are really seeing that growing as the trend grows and as people get more educated about this product. People are really becoming more environmentally conscious and caring about what we do to the environment, you know, so that's really exciting, you know. And we see bamboo going into various different things, not only in golf shirts and t-shirts, but we've seen that going into jerseys, we've seen that go into suiting material that we're manufacturing. So that's really exciting to be working with people that actually have got vision and care about the environment, you know. Okay, what happens is we purchase yarn from the east. In the bamboo cotton state, there's 70% bamboo, 30% cotton. We then take 90 cones of yarn, we've put it onto the machine, and it would run into the machines through various different stop motions and controls, and then get knitted into a circular knitted fabric. That fabric would be checked by the operator while he's running it, and then inspected again in our grade inspection before dyeing. We would dye it into various different colors. Then once the dyeing process is complete, we would put it onto our heat setting and shrinking machine. Basically what this machine does is pump superheated steam and an agitated roller, and this actually pre-shrinks the fabric, so that you have a situation where you've got fabric that's really environmentally friendly and really stable. So you wouldn't have a situation where you bought a garment and it would be a medium, and then you'd wash it, and then all of a sudden you find out that it's a small. So you're getting good product, eco-friendly products that is really good quality product at the same time. After this, we put it onto our final inspection machine and check it for the last time before it goes to our clients to make sure that this is really top-class fabric that we're producing. Basically, these flat knitting machines, what you have is you have the yarn running through the top, through a whole lot of stop motions to ensure that the product is of a good standard. You have heads traversing from left to right, and that's really where the knitting really happens. On these particular machines, you can do various different things where you can have lines going down the fabric, you can have stripes going across, you can do collars, you can do cuffs, you can do waistbands, you can do jerseys, you can do suiting fabrics on these machines. Custom knitting is something where someone like Sheldon will come in and he will really blow our minds. We would look at something, and we're producing the same thing day in, day out, and he will come in and you'll be busy doing what you're doing in the day, and then he'll roll up there and he would really say, can you do this, can you do that, can you do that, and that will really get the creative juices going.
We love Future Fabrics, of course, and the setup and what they're doing, because they are talking to more people. You know, they're talking to bigger designers, they're talking to bigger retailers, fantastic. You know, but we love the smaller guys who can focus on the smaller designers such as us. And it was also wonderful to stumble across a Swaziland-based company called Rosecraft, who do the most amazing bamboo knit.